What if you could launch a highly scalable business with minimal overhead, leveraging digital channels and supported by a robust network? For many, the traditional perception of direct selling conjures images of awkward pitches and limited reach. However, when approached with a strategic marketing mindset, it transforms into a powerful customer-centric model. The landscape of direct selling has dramatically shifted. Gone are the days of solely relying on in-person interactions or cold calls. Today, success hinges on understanding digital marketing principles, building authentic connections, and providing genuine value. This isn't about luck. It's about implementing a proven blueprint. This training session will equip you with the essential strategic pillars to build a thriving direct selling enterprise. We'll explore how to apply core marketing concepts to cultivate a sustainable and profitable business, moving beyond outdated tactics. Prepare to redefine your approach and unlock significant growth potential. A most common pitfall in direct selling is a product-first approach. True marketing success lies in identifying and addressing specific customer pain points. Your role isn't to push products, it's to be a trusted problem solver for a precisely defined audience segment. Consider your ideal customer profile. What challenges do they face that your product or service can genuinely alleviate? Instead of broadly marketing skincare, target busy professionals seeking gentle, effective solutions for sensitive skin. This niche segmentation allows for highly relevant messaging. When you articulate a clear value proposition that resonates with specific needs, you transition from a salesperson to a valued advisor. This customer-centric strategy builds immediate rapport and long-term loyalty, making your offerings indispensable. In the digital age, your online presence is your primary business hub. This extends far beyond simply posting product images. That's merely a digital catalog. Your objective is to cultivate an engaged online community and establish your personal brand. Embrace content marketing to educate, entertain, and inspire your audience. If you sell beauty products, share quick tutorials, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or discuss common beauty dilemmas. Provide value that extends beyond the transaction itself. Your goal is to become the go-to authority in your chosen niche. By consistently delivering valuable content, you build trust and credibility. This digital footprint fosters organic engagement, drives referrals, and ultimately converts followers into loyal customers. Efficiency is paramount for sustainable growth. Relying solely on manual efforts creates a hamster wheel scenario, where increased effort doesn't necessarily translate to scalable results. Top earners prioritize systemization and automation. Implement streamlined processes for key business functions. This includes automated follow-up sequences for new leads, scheduled social media content, and systematic tracking of sales and expenses. Leverage readily available digital tools to automate repetitive tasks. By systemizing the operational aspects, you free up valuable time. This allows you to focus on high-impact activities, nurturing customer relationships, refining your marketing strategies, and continuously solving problems for your audience. To recap our strategic blueprint, first, solve, don't sell by focusing on specific customer pain points. Second, build a community, not just a product page, by leveraging content marketing and personal branding online. Third, create systems to escape the hamster wheel by automating repetitive tasks for efficiency. This strategic framework transforms direct selling into a modern, scalable business model. It's about applying core marketing principles to build a sustainable enterprise, not just chasing quick sales. Now, it's your turn to apply these insights. Identify one area from today's training where you can implement a new strategy this week. Share your biggest marketing challenge or your planned action step in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe for more actionable strategies to build your business with purpose and precision.